Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful surface-to-air missile systems in the Indian Air Force arsenal, the SPYDER missile system. Developed by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems from Israel, SPYDER stands for Surface-to-Air Python and Derby. It's a highly mobile air defense system designed to protect against aircraft, helicopters, drones, and even precision-guided munitions. The Indian Air Force has deployed SPYDER systems to provide quick-reaction air defense across key strategic areas. What makes SPYDER so special is its incredible speed and accuracy. It can launch within seconds of identifying a threat, locking onto targets using advanced radar and electro-optic sensors. The SPYDER system uses two types of missiles: the Python 5 for close-range threats and the Derby for medium-range interceptions. Both are fire-and-forget missiles, meaning they don't need further guidance once launched. This gives the IAF a huge tactical advantage during fast-paced operations. Whether it's defending air bases or shielding high-value assets, SPYDER is a true game changer. Its precision, reliability,